And I'm already half digger, but
All
fuck,
right.
I'm a gangsta. I'm thug. Yeah. Come on.
There you go, bro. Alright, for $500, I'm not gonna lie, y'all. This shit fun as fuck, y'all. Y'all, what is up? We're back outside, back with the G35. And right now, I have a couple of things that I'm like, all right, let's get these things put on. Because I'm thinking about taking the car for a drive today. Something, you don't got no interior still. The interior's not put back in just yet. But I'm just like, you know what? The car's loud. It's worth it to go for a drive. You know, like, I'm gonna figure out what I'm gonna do about the seats thing. I don't know how to seats, but I might just throw in like a little lawn chair in there and say, y'all, let's keep going. But I'm gonna get things finalized, yo. So let me show you everything I need to get this thing finalized, and we're gonna see how it goes. Yeah, so first and foremost, we got tools right here. This is the only tools I need to get this whole thing disassembled and put it back together. We got parking brake shoes because it doesn't have one. I realized that afterwards that it's missing a parking brake, and we got a parking brake cable because someone cut the old parking brake. That's what's, let me see if I can find it. This wire right here hanging, this is the parking brake wire. Just then got brake pads because the car has no brake pads in the rear. It's literally no pads in the rear. I don't even know how I was able to move the car. Then we got the wheel bearing. Now, I have my suspicions that these wheel bearings for the all-wheel drive and the rear-wheel drive is very, very similar. But I'm gonna see when I actually put it back together. The last thing that I do have to do is this, like, what you call that? Like the strut brace area. Look at that. Anyway, the strut brace area right there, there is like that crack in that bolt. As I'm sitting here, I'm seeing a leak, y'all. I have no idea what this is. I'm gonna hope it's just water because it doesn't smell like anything. Hopefully it's just water. All right, y'all, let's get started. All right, y'all, so there's a couple of things I actually have to do first before putting the wheel bearing on. One, my upper control arm was never tightened down, so you see me tighten that down, make sure it's actually snug, because if that's not good, I'll have a whole wobbly back end. Everything on the lower side of it, toe arm, trailer arms, all of those were never tightened as well either, so I had to go do all that stuff before I was able to take that wheel bearing off. But then I took the rotor off, got the wheel bearing off as well, you know, mallet ways, using the jackson to actually hold it up and keeping up the knuckle. And then I realized the parking brake can't be fitted because I don't have a dust shield for the rear. So we're gonna scrap the whole parking brake idea, y'all. Parking brake delete on the G35. We don't need it, it's all right. We're just gonna put the new wheel bearing on and then, you know, tighten everything down, obviously. And now with the new wheel bearing fitted and everything getting tightened down, I was actually able to, you know, torque everything down to spec, put the rotors back on, put the brakes back on as well, and actually finally finish this job, y'all. Last thing to do is actually put the wheel back on and pads, and we'll be all set. Y'all, the moment has finally come. Taking the G35, I'm taking it on its first drive. Nothing crazy. There's still no seats, nothing in it, so it's gonna be a crazy ass drive. Right now, I'm currently filling up the tires with air. Actually, I don't have the battery inflator, so we got my G on to charge the tire inflator and putting air in the tires. Bro, it had 8 psi in the tires, y'all. It was not going nowhere with that. It had 8 psi in the tires, bro.
No way.
8 psi. It was not going nowhere, yo. But after this tires get air in there, yo, taking this car out, yo. I gotta jump the car, bro. The car don't got no. I don't know if this battery's even strong enough to stay on. I think this battery's actually like, if I jump it, drive the car a little bit, I think this battery got actually on, bro. All right, bro. Shit's on. Damn, bro. Keep the seat. I got the red seats in the car, y'all. Oh, I got the red seat. You know what I'm saying? Got the one red seat. Let me lift this up a little bit. Get a little higher. Yo. Oh, nah, space, man. Hold on. Let me fixate my seat real quick. All right.
Just adjusting the seat. Yo.
All right. Can I reach?
I'm gonna record the engine.
Fuck my head. There you go, bro.
Nigga, what the fuck?
You sit in the back, bro. Just be careful when you close the door.
Shit. What this nigga got me into, bro? What this nigga got me doing, bro? What the fuck, bro? Yo.
Close the door. Alrighty. Can't roll the windows down, bro, so we gonna have to, troop it out. I can't even open the sunroof either, bro. It's alright. It's a little ghetto, but it's alright, it do. Can I reach the pedals, bro?
Nigga, how the fuck?
Let me adjust my seat real quick, bro.
I can't even see out that fucking mirror, nigga.
Let me adjust my seat. Alright. Adjust the mirrors real quick. Alrighty.
Sitting on a fuel tank, bro.
Oh, the door's still open. Shit. Open up. There we go.
Nigga, how the fuck am I supposed to get out this shit?
This door handle right on the bottom, bro. Pull that lever at the bottom. Alright, bro.
Alright, let's see. Nigga, don't make my beat.
Damn, bro. This steering wheel mad heavy, bro. Alright. Let's back it up a little bit. Beep, 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 beep. Alright. No seatbelts, nothing, bro.
Word.
You got brakes?
Absolutely.
Yeah, we do got brakes.
Gutted, bruh.
Hey, turn signal still work?
Oh shit. It's the moment of truth. Oh shit! $500 car. Woo! Shit loud as fuck.
Something don't sound good, bro. Something sounds shit, bro. I ain't going nowhere, bro. Something's scraping in the back, bro. I was a driver of JL Express, bro.
Bro, that shit was actually legendary, I'm not gonna lie.
Oh shit, bro. It got a little jumpy in here, bro.
Yo.
Whoa.
Nigga. Yo.
That's it back in reverse.
Yo.
All right, back it up. No mirrors backing up. Come on. I got it, bro. Yep, we're doing good. Keep going.
You're good. And stop.
Fucking nigga.
Woo.
I was thinking I'm revving this shit, bro.
Whew. All right, bro, your door handle's right there at the bottom. You just pull that lever and push on the door at the same time. You gotta push on the door at the same time. I got you, bro. Pull the lever. There you go.
Shit. Well, thanks for the ride, man.
You're welcome, man. See you.
Appreciate it, man.
Have a good one, man.
Nice to meet you, man.
Nice to meet you as well.
Thank you.
Don't tune me to them burbles, bruh. Alright, but for $500, I'm not gonna lie, y'all. This shit fun as fuck, y'all.
Can't get better than that, nigga.
Huh?
Can't get better than this, nigga.
Bro, car drives. It's not overheating. There's no check lights on the dash. I mean, maybe what if the check engine light bulb was dead, bro? Nah, I'm playing.
Nah, don't
It's
do
all
that.
good, bro. There's no check lights on the dash. I'm pretty sure somebody just did an oil change on this, bro. It smells like something. I'm pretty sure that's probably like the coolant, though. I don't know, bro. No fuel leak. Let me see. I gotta check the fuel leak too, bro.
That's
Alright, bro.
crazy, bro. $500 car.
Woo!
This nigga turned into a fucking machine running and shit. Damn,
Bro,
imagine you
bro.
put the seats in that shit. Not that
Whole car
fucking,
running.
not that red seat,
Well,
nigga.
I'm not gonna lie, y'all. the only concerns I'm having right now, one, there's a scratching sound coming from the back.
Should have recorded from the back.
Yeah, but what?
I should have recorded from the back.
No, that's cool. I don't know what that is though, low key. I know, like, I don't know. It could be something with the brakes. I just did those pads or anything. So like, when you do new pads, you're supposed to like set them in. Either it's the pads or it could be the rear rotor too, because the front rotors are clean. Like you look at those, like there's no rust on those front rotors, bro. I mean, look at the back edge. Hold on, bro. That knocked the rust off? Oh, let's go check let's go see that side there. If this side's still rusty, that's what it is, bro. Oh, no, yeah, low key, bro. Yeah. Low key still got like just like rust spots on it, bro.
Yeah.
So I think the scratches I'm hearing is like the pad rubbing on the rotors, or it could just need an alignment too. Like it still needs an alignment. Yeah. Let's look at the front, bro. About to get on the floor, bro. Gotta see this, bro. Oh. Oil
Fucking
leak, bro.
freak.
I mean, no gas leak.
No leak, right?
Yeah, no leak, bro.
Couple you.
Just gonna watch it, make sure that the leaking. I mean, I would have saw a spot on the ground, to be honest. I would have saw something already. So no fuel leak, bro. I wonder if it turn. You think it would turn back on without the jumper, bro?
Try it.
Try that. I don't want. Yeah, let's try it, buddy. We'll put the hood real quick though.
See if anything.
Yeah, no fuel leaking from the fuel damper line, bro. I think I know what that smell is now.
Definitely from the coolant.
No, I'm pretty sure it's the coolant, bro. Because whoever the previous owner was, bro, they poured mad water into the coolant, bro. Like hella diluted, like to the point where it's like it don't even look like coolant. It looks like just clear. It just looks like just water. So I'm pretty sure the smell I'm smelling and that smoke that's coming from the back is the burned off coolant. Well, actually, I don't even see the smoke no more. So maybe it burnt off the rest of it. But I'm pretty sure it's the burnt off like the water vapor. Loud ass cars, bruh. I'm pretty sure it's the water vapor coming out, bro, and it's just like making that smoke. I'm pretty sure that's what happens to you, like, you know, put the thing in it. But before I do like anything else, I'm probably still gonna check the what's that thing called? The coolant bleeder. I'll probably check it out just to make sure. Let's see if this thing starts, bro. Start back up.
Yeah, nah, that shit done. And then
Yeah, I'm gonna need a new battery at some point too.
Yeah.
But you can't beat this, y'all.
$500, man.
$500, no check engine lights. Few minor problems like so the scratching and whatnot, but it's loud too. But we're gonna fix that loudness, y'all. We're gonna get an exhaust. I can't say too much, y'all, but I gotta let y'all know that the Y pipe on this car is broken. So I do gotta fix that Y pipe. That is definitely a problem. It don't have no mufflers, so it sounds like, you know, a trumpet EQ, like everybody has the jokes and whatnot. So I'm gonna fix that muffler problem. I'm about to fabricate my own exhaust, y'all. As y'all seen, I've been doing everything on this car by myself. I haven't been using, going to the shops or nothing. So that's the one thing I might go to a shop for, just to have them welded up, or I can use exhaust clamps. But I think I'm gonna have them welded, bro. But not gonna lie, y'all, $500, bro. Can't beat it. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.